2021 Fanuc Robodril D21 with the Haberle system and the Haberle rotary table system. We're going to do the RPMs as such. This goes up till 10,000 RPM. $5,000. Machine is silent, excellent condition. Very little use. Has probing. A variety of Lang mounting blocks available. There are two of these Haberle systems available in the same plant. There's the other one, 2019, but this 2021 also has the tool pots and the Fanuc 200i. They have an upgraded coolant system and chip removal system with the Hydro Clean. Also comes with a mist collector. In addition, they have the original coolant pan and pumps also included in the sale. The machine is in excellent condition and available immediately.